Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and today I'm filming another video for the video blog hub that we have at the end of each month with Enjoy the Little Things in Life. And so this month we're going to be doing a pop-up card, which I thought it was kind of cool. I almost never do this type of card, so I hope you enjoy it. Now the design series paper that I am using for this is out of the brand new holiday catalog, and this is called Floral Frost, or hold on, Frosted Florals. And what is really cool about this design series paper is that it has it was printed on shimmer paper, so it has a shimmer look, and so it just looks amazing. The other thing is, on one side most of the time you have the floral side, and on the other side you have more of a monochromatic color, so you can see it here. So it's perfect for designing your cards. I definitely recommend this paper. I have been using it a lot, as you can see. And anyway, and I even have I think by now the class is closed, but you can still get the tutorial. I put a link into the description of this video for that so that you can see it, because I had an online class where I actually have 6 more cards with this set, plus I know I have been sharing this paper all through the month. So anyway, today I'm not going to be using the coordinating suite, but I'm decided to go with abstract impressions because I thought that some of the flowers kind of get a little bit of the same look as this. So the other thing is, I wanted to have as a pop-up this butterfly, so I decided to go with this one. And this one is the Springtime Impression Thinlit Die and the Abstract Impressions. You can get those as a bundle. These are out of the annual catalog. If you get them together, it's you save 10%, but obviously you can also purchase them separately. So let's just go through these. And so the card today, it's a long way. It's from a long way. And so this one is 11 by 4 1/4. And I have here 10 1/2 by, I think it's 3 3/4. Let me see. Yes, 3 3/4. Okay. One tip is, when I am doing this type of cards, where I'm going to have a like a mat that long, is and also for this type of cards I usually just score at 5 1/2 using my simple score. Then I put this one where I want to line it up, and I just go ahead and do it again, which is exactly what I did. That way I don't have to figure out where I'm going to be scoring on this one. I just put it on top, see kind of want to look at, have the same time of order, and then just score on that. That way when I am folding it, it matches and it all is good, rather than trying to figure out where am I going to be folding those things. So as usual, we're going to be folding it in half. So we're going to go ahead and fold. Always use your bump folder regardless. And so for this one, when you open this one will go like so. So I need to do a little cut here. And this one, you just eyeball it, as you can see. I'm not doing anything fancy. But when you do that one, you just need to make sure this one falls. Oh, what am I doing here? Oh, this one goes like so. Okay, so this one goes like so. And so you just have to put your bone folder, and you saw me, I just eyeball it, I didn't do anything. And so this is how it will open, and you'll have this one here. Okay, alrighty, so that's pretty much it to this part. So let me just go ahead and do that section, because we're gonna be gluing the whole thing. So this one will go like so. And then I'm going to be putting this one here. And this is another tip. When I'm doing this type of cards, I usually just shut it close, and then go back with your, let me just get my adhesive, because it kind of died on me to fall down. Give me 1 second here. Sorry about that. It always happens, right? Okay, so like I said, you just have to go ahead and voila. You see that? So that way it opens, is there. And so for this one, we're just gonna be putting a glue dot on these sections so that when you open it, all right, and so when you open it, it kind of pop up. Now I think that for this one, it would have been better to do a longer one, but it's still fine. It will work perfectly. And so let's just add some glue dots. And like I said, you're gonna put one here. I'm gonna put another one here just to make sure nothing falls. And another one here. And I always kind of hide them so that nothing sticks to them. There we go. And so once you have it there, you press and voila. You see that? Is that not gorgeous? And then you can write down something here and it's just perfect. So now for the front of your card, and again, because these tend to be bulky, I try to always use my bone folder here multiple times to make sure it stays close. So now for this section, I have, by the way, this one is soft suede and this one is mint macaron, and you can see this one is the glimmer paper, which is the white glimmer paper. And then I have a piece of mint macaron, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. So we're gonna go ahead and glue this one down. And we're gonna be putting it like so. Then I have a piece of, what is this color? The Design Series paper, and don't worry about it because this one is gonna go like so. So I actually want it like that. And honestly, on this one, I don't think I want to do the banner as I always do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this one down. And this one is 1 inch. Oh, hold on. It's 1 inch wide by, and it should have been 3 3/4, but I think it's 3 1/4 on this one. It's just a tad small, as you can see, but that's fine because I'm going to be putting that circle there. So there we go. Yeah, it's a tad smaller, as you can see. But to me, that's fine because that's where my circle goes. But it should have been 3 3/4. There we go. And I had a little bit of glue here, so I'm just taking it off. Which being shimmer makes it perfect for this type of issues. So there we go. So now this one will go like so. But I'm going to be adding also this ribbon, which coordinates really well with this. It's a part of the suite. And this one is the velvet ribbon. Yeah, velvet ribbon. And the new color is Tranquil Tide. So this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. If you like the one that was on the shirt What You Love, you're gonna love this one as well because it's the same type, it's just a different color. And so it just looks fantastic. So as usual, I think I'm gonna be cutting it a little bit smaller. Yes. All right. As usual, we're gonna be gluing this with glue dots. There we go. And then this one will go here. So now let's go ahead and stamp this. Now for this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it already. I think we're done with this section. And I love the colors in this suite. I think it's just gorgeous. There we go. And so now we're gonna be using the foam mat here. And we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be using There's So Much to Love About You, which I think is awesome sentiment. And I have here So Sweet. So let's just ink this one. And this is Whisper White. I had already die cut it with the Stitch Shapes framelits. And I'm gonna go ahead and just stamp it like so. All right, now the next part, it's the flowers. I want to put some little flowers here and there, and I want to have a, let me see, do I have a scratch paper? I always have scratch paper. So give me a second here. Okay, I just need a scratch paper. And I'm going to be using these flowers, and I don't know yet. I keep debating as to which one I want. So I'm going to have mint macaron, and I'm going to have also Pierre Pisas. I'm going to have here Pierre Pisas and mint. Let's just see. So for this one, I'm not going to do, hold on, I just want to see which leaf I want. So I'm going to put 2 here for a second, because I'm still debating. I don't know about that. Maybe do a little bit of a mix. Okay, we'll see. Because I want to put them like here, like right here. So let's just go ahead and start. So what I want to do is stamp and mint macaron. And then I'm going to take Tranquil Tide. And I'm just going to go ahead and kind of do, you know, you see that? Breathe on it. And then I'm going to just stamp it here. See that? Then kind of clean it. And do another one. And you're going to go ahead. And every time you do it, it's going to be different. Which I love about these. So I'm going to leave it like that right now, just to see if I need more. For right now, I think it's enough. But you have it here. And it kind of goes with having this type of look, you see? This is what I wanted to have. Now, as far as the leaves, we're going to do that. And I have here Old Olive. This is Pierre Pisas, and I'm going to be putting Old Olive here. Oh, I think I like that a lot. And then put another one here. And he's put it right there. There we go. And I think that's it. I won't put anything else. I think it looks perfect that way. And then, let's just clean this real quick. I love the new chamois. I think this is just an awesome, awesome cleaning tool. And I try to use it right after I'm done so that my stamps are all clean and ready to go for the next time. So here is how it looks. I mean, does that not look fantastic? I think it does. And you know what? I'm just thinking out loud here, but I think that it might have been better if I had well, I'm gonna leave it like that right now. I think that's it. So, because I was thinking, would that have been better if I had like a little escalope probably? And let's just do that, right? Since we're doing this, you know me, I never had the card completed. So let's just do this real quick because I think it would look fantastic. So I'm just gonna cut strips at 3. And I'm gonna be using the stitch shapes. And I think, which is this one. I'm gonna say, would that be the one that kind of matches? Yes. All right. So as you can see, I never know the size that I'm using. I just put the piece of paper that I have and then we're done. And that's how I pick which framelit I need to be using, because I don't have them really in order. So I have the magnetic platform, one acrylic, paper, then the die, another acrylic, and then run it through. Let's just take out the big shot out of the way. And, oh, I think this one will look even better. And so we're gonna do, yes, I love how this one looks. So now we're gonna be putting adhesive, and of course now I don't know where, oh here, is that what I did with the adhesive? It's like I know I had it. Okay. Oh yes, much better. And this one will be popped up with dimensionals. So I'm gonna be putting, like so, because I want the ribbon to go right there. Anytime you have the velvety ribbon, you kind of have to have that space free without the dimensionals, because it gets too bulky. So I'm pulling off the backings. And voila. Is that not gorgeous? And of course you have a butterfly popping up at you when you open it. So now I can just write down why I think there's so much to love that person or that friend. So wouldn't that be great to get this one on the mail? So anyway, I love how it looks. Hopefully you do too. Give it a try. It's always so much fun to do this type of cards. Although I almost never do them because it's always a little bit more time consuming. But this one is kind of quick and easy as well. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to go on all the other blogs participating on this video blog hop, I should say. And don't forget also about my ordering incentive. Anytime you purchase with me using the hostess code, and you get the hostess code at creatingwithali.com, you get the card kit in the mail the following month. To make 4 cards, you get everything, paper, everything except the stamping. You'll have to provide the stamping, but of course if you don't have the particular stamp that I'm using, you can always substitute, or even better, you can purchase that on your next order. If your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. So again, go and visit my website at creatingwithali.com. And like I said in the video, at the beginning of this video, I am now offering online classes, so be sure to check them out. Go to my blog and also subscribe to my email list where you're gonna get all the updates and registrations, timelines and everything for all the online classes. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.